Welcome back to the podcast by SDC International Shipping. Why is SDC the strategic partner global companies trust? Let's break that down. We offer boutique service that doesn't cut corners. At SDC, we know that no two relocations are the same. Perhaps you're relocating a senior executive to Singapore along with her family and 2 pets. Or perhaps you're managing a group move for 75 engineers heading to Munich for a 3-year assignment. No matter the case, we don't give a cookie-cutter plan. We provide custom relocation strategies, dedicated account managers, expert communication, and personalized support for every assignee. This kind of high-touch service is rare in the logistics world, but it's how we do business. Because when you're relocating lives, not just cargo, every detail matters. We also offer big logistics power backed by 14 years of global experience. What sets us apart operational is our scale. Behind our hands-on service is a robust network of vetted international warehouses, trusted freight forwarders, in-country agents, and global custom professionals. We manage complicated, urgent moves and do it while keeping your HR and global mobility teams in the loop every step of the way. With SDC, your people are more than shipments. One of our longtime clients, a Fortune 500 company, said it best. SDC doesn't treat our assignees like freight. They treat them like people. That philosophy is the heartbeat of everything we do. We understand what your assignees are juggling: career transitions, family concerns, cultural shifts, and the stress of an overseas move. That's why we don't just move stuff. We support the person behind the boxes. Each move includes pre-move consultations, cultural sensitivity and privacy, door-to-door coordination, post-arrival support, and optional pet relocation, storage, and insurance coverage. And if your employee has a question at 2 a.m., their SDC account manager is just a call or message away. We're ready for anything: group moves, interns, executive transfers. Let's talk some cases. Group moves. We've relocated hundreds of assignees on a tight timeline, managing housing, transportation, and custom clearance with precision. Intern relocation. Whether you offer lump sum packages or full service relocation, we help new hirees get off on the right foot, often crafting flexible intern programs that scale with your hiring needs. High-level executives. From luxury items to high-security logistics, we cater to the elevated expectations and privacy standards the top executives demand. Government embassy relocations. We understand security protocols, classified shipments, and diplomatic timelines. If your organization is searching for a reliable, white-glove relocation partner, consider this your invitation. Visit our website to learn more or call us at 877-339-0267. Let's build a smarter, smoother, and more personalized relocation program together.